Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting Illustrator ready. Make sure the latest build and the AI plugin or generative fill are active. Open your artwork, tidy layers, and name groups so the model targets shapes precisely. Once done, set GPU and memory preferences to improve speed and save a backup copy in case you need to revert. Now you will launch the AI tool panel, choose your target layer, and create a small test selection. This first actionable step tells the model where to work. You target the selection and type, a clear prompt that includes style, color, and scale cues so the AI knows what to produce. Then run 1 to 3 iterations, compare outcomes, and tweak the creativity or temperature setting to balance fidelity versus novelty. Make sure to apply a mask for edge control, and when a raster result appears, use image trace or live trace with adjusted thresholds to convert to clean vector paths. This way you keep editable geometry and consistent stroke width. You finish by cleaning the generated paths. Simplify nodes, align strokes, and harmonize fills using global swatches so changes update across the file. Then use the Appearance panel to layer effects non-destructively and create symbols for repeated elements. If you see artifacting, jagged edges, or mismatched styles, rerun the generation on smaller areas, reduce the creativity or temperature, or refine the prompt with precise constraints. That troubleshooting tip will save time and preserve quality as you finalize the art.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.